Alright, we're doing a house. We're only going to show this room a little bit because there's a bunch of teenagers home sleeping. We're trying to be kind of quiet. And this is where a big area rug was down on the carpet right here. So you're just putting the pre-spray down, and we'll come back in a few minutes and show you the cleaning.
You know what? Leave it on, because I'm going to pre-spray it around here and start up, and then we'll pre-spray the rest of the room and clean it after. So it's over here. We're ready to go.
Now he's just using we're using a Challenger pad with the Challenger pad driver today. Yeah, we got funky lighting in here. Those aren't very bright light bulbs. The rest of the house is going to be super dark because, like I said, there's a bunch of teenagers sleeping. It's their summer vacation, so they're all sleeping, and they got all their bedrooms blacked out pretty dark. So we're just going to show this much and then clean the rest without putting it on video.
Yeah, buddy. Now these guys called us because they said last July we came out here and we got all the spots up and they were amazed at what we did. So here it is a year later.
Yeah, it's July. Can you tell?
They want us back and they offered us more money even because of what we did the last time.
This is why I don't have a Christmas tree, because it'd just be up all year long. I'd never take it down.
Now we did not bring a vacuum with us, which we do bring them, but this time we didn't because it was supposed to be pre-vacuum. And it is, except under the area rug, it's dirty.
Yeah, they didn't pick up the 300-pound area rug and vacuum underneath it for some reason.
But if you see there's an attachment we put on top of the fork, and it keeps any dust or debris from.
Oh, it's just a dust filter.
Works real good. Now there's red stains and all sorts of stuff that's not coming out, but they're going to cover this up with an area rag, and they just want the dirt out, you know, the soil stains, which is what we're taking out.
Yeah, I apologize for all the shadows and stuff. You never know how these videos.
They may look good on video, but it's dark.
It may look okay on video. You never know though, because the lighting's it's really kind of dark in here.
It's dark. That's why we're not filming more of the house.
Yeah, and since the camera's going to bump the ISO up to compensate for the low light, it's going to emphasize some things. It may emphasize things in the carpet, so there may be artifacts that aren't really visible to the naked eye. So you just never know what you're going to have. A lot of times we do these and the carpets look brand new when we get done. And in reality, they don't look that good. They actually look better on video than they do to the naked eye. But sometimes,
are they turning out bad?
Yeah, sometimes it's worse. But you're not really seeing an accurate representation of what's going on.
No.
But hopefully, what you do see looks good on video, because that's the only part. That's what matters for video.
They might come over here. Here's spots. All around here. Some of them will come up, and some of them may not.
With my reading glasses on, this is like looking through a magnifying glass at the sidewalk. It's just a big blur.
Take your reading glasses off.
Well, then I can't see. Then I can't see the viewfinder. It's a catch-22.
It's a fisheye lens. You just zoom it in that direction, and it'll be there.
Yeah.
Just taking them out. Of course, it's got a lot of permanent wear.
Yeah, this is a house where you have kids grew up in it and you've got pets. And
Hang on, I'll spray the other area. Just see the camera running. This will be the whole video.
oh yeah, he never actually did back there.
Oh, I gotta spray it, and then it'll finish.
Let's see, there's their vacuum cleaner, I suppose. Oh, they got an iron, so they can take out red stains if they really want to. We'll show them how to do that.
Ooh, yahoo.
Yeah, that's always a lot of fun.
We're using the Field King sprayer. We love this thing. It never lets off. It never reduces on how fast it sprays. It sprays the same rate no matter what. It's nice. And before anyone else gets in the comment section what we're cleaning with, we're cleaning with peroxide.
Yeah, it's peroxide-based cleaner. I'll put a link.
We clean with peroxide.
I'll put a link in the description.
Alright, I'll go over there and get ready to do some filming. It's just taking everything right up.
Good.
But it's just permanent wear that, you make it look good because you take all the stains out, but then the permanent wear is still there, so it's like, yeah. How good can I look,
Yeah, it's July in Texas, so it's pretty warm out. It's going to get very, very hot today. Of course, the whole country's been having a heat wave, so.
Yeah.
It's actually been cooler than usual here, but it's still pretty hot. The nice thing about this area is it usually is pretty dry. You can tell we're in our 50s. Old men like to sit around and talk about the weather and their bowel movements.
Oh, let me tell you about my last one.
Oh, you should have seen it. Yeah, that's how they are.
Yeah.
You know you're old and you're sitting around comparing medications and reading and your prescriptions for your glasses. It's talking about, yeah, this morning I had a big cup of coffee. This morning I had a big cup of coffee and I had to go blast off.
Stand over there and film me coming out. It's dark here, but who knows, the camera might actually pick all this up.
Yeah. Check the video description for links. I'm getting ready to end this because he's about done with his room and I'm going to stop there. Yeah, so we can continue on. And I don't have to stand here and hold the camera anymore, which is nice. So, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Just about done.
I can't even see what this is. I think these are birds, like cigarette burns.
It's too dark to see. I can't see anything. It's like pitch black almost with all the shadowing. Alright, that was it. I hope you guys enjoy it.
Well, howdy.
Yeah, till next time, thanks for watching.